Hello everyone, myself Bhumika Sharma. I am the student of BSc Honours Agriculture. My registration number is J19 Agri 1112 and my course title is Production Technology of Fruit and Plantation Crops and my course number is FRTS 221. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir, who is an associate professor in Fruit Science Course J. I am very thankful to Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for providing me this opportunity. Also, you can see picture where sir is in lychee orchid. Contents of my presentation includes introduction, origin, importance and uses, area and production, soil requirements, climate, varieties, land preparation, fertilizers and irrigation, pest management, diseases and their control, harvesting and yield. Introduction. Lychee is a delicious juicy fruit of excellent quality. The translucent flavored aril or edible flesh of the lychee is popular as table fruit in India. Its scientific name is Lychee cainensis. Its family is Sapindaceae. Its order is Sapindales and it belongs to kingdom Plantae. Origin. The origin of lychee is from southern China, particularly the provinces of Guangdong and Fujian. The spread of lychee to other parts of the world was slower due to its climatic requirements, soil, and short lifespan of its seed. Lychee reached in India through Myanmar and northeast during the 18th century. Area and production. India is the second largest producer of lychee in the world after China. Other major producing countries are Thailand, Australia, South Africa, Florida and US. Area is around 58.2 million hectares in India and production and productivity is 356.2 million tons and 6.1 million tons per hectare in India. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam and Punjab are other major lychee producing states in India. Here you see picture of aerial view of lychee orchid. Also you can see picture of fruit bearing lychee plants. Importance. Lychee is rich in vitamin B, vitamin C, riboflavin, apart from fats, carbohydrates, minerals and proteins. It is a good source of antioxidants. It helps to reduce abdominal fat. It can fight liver cancer. Lychee fruit reduces inflammation. Uses. It makes an excellent canned fruit. High flavored squash is prepared during summer. Pickles wines are also made in China. Dried lychee is called lychee nut. Children also love lychee very much. Climate. Lychee is a subtropical crop. It thrives best under warm subtropical climate. The temperature should not go beyond 40.5 degrees Celsius in summer and below freezing point in winter. Hot winds result in fruit cracking during summer, while too much rainfall at the time of flowering interferes with pollination. Here are some pictures of fruit cracking and adverse effect of rainfall on fruit crop. The first picture shows fruit cracking and the second picture shows the adverse effect of rainfall on fruit crop. Soil. Well deep, well drained loamy soil rich in organic matter and free from hard substrata is best suited for its cultivation. High lime content soil is also beneficial. Sandy loam or clay loam with pH 5.5 to 7.0 and sufficient soil depth is ideal for lychee cultivation. Varieties which are grown in India are early bedana. It is also called as early seedless. It is the earliest medium to poor yielding variety but bears regularly. It yields about 50 to 60 kg per tree. Size of the fruit is small to medium and shape of the fruit is oval with carmine red tubercles. Its TSS is around 19.8%. Muzaffarpur. It is an important lychee variety grown in Bihar and other adjacent states. Its yield is about 80 to 100 kg per tree and size of the fruit is small to medium. Shape of the fruit is hard to oval shape with crimson red tubercles. Its TSS is around 20.3% and pulp is greyish white. Dehradun. It is a late season variety. It yields about 80 to 90 kg per tree. Size of the fruit is medium. Shape of the fruit is hard to conical shape. TSS is 17% and pulp is greyish white. Rose scented. It is famous for rose aroma and cultivated for table purpose in Muzaffarpur area of Bihar. It yields about 80 to 90 kg per tree. Size of the fruit is medium to large. Shape is oval or heart shape. TSS is 20% and pulp is greyish white and juicy. Kalkatia. It is best of all the varieties in northern India. It yields about 80 to 100 kg per tree. Size of the fruit is large. Shape of the fruit is oblong and TSS is 18.17%. Pulp is dirty, creamy, white, soft, juicy and very sweet in taste. Late Badana. This variety is not completely devoid of seed, but it is rather shriveled and small in size. It yields about 80 to 100 kg per tree. Size of the fruit is medium to large. Shape is conical. TSS is 20% and pulp is creamy, white, soft and juicy. The varieties which are exotic are found in China and Germany. In China, the varieties which are grown are Nomesezi, Hazangli, Tatasau, Shumelasu. In Germany, the varieties which are grown are Hagib, Brewster and McLean. Propagation and rootstocks. Lychee is commercially propagated by air layering, also known as marcoting and gutting. About 2 cm wide ring of bark is removed just below a bud from a healthy and vigorous twig, and the cut is wrapped with the polythene sheet containing sphagnum moss and are tied with white tape. When sufficient roots are formed in 2 months, the branch is cut below the soil and potted in nursery. It is done in the month of July and October. Field preparations. Land is cleared and pits are 1 by 1 meter dug up a few weeks before planting and kept open for 20 days and then filled with farmyard manures. Canal slit, leaf mound, soil from lychee orchid full of mycorrhizal is also added and water to set mixture. Square system at 7.5 to 10 meter apart is adopted. After planting, the land is not allowed to dry. Planting done in monsoon. In spring, planting is only done if irrigation is available. Manuring and fertilization. It is given below in the table. Irrigation. Irrigation needs more in summer. Young one needs irrigation twice a week during April-June. No irrigation during winter in fruiting trees. In bearing trees, irrigation need is critical during flesh development. Irrigation during May-June helps to reduce cracking of fruits to great extent. Insect pest and their control. Mite. In this nymph and adults suck up surface of leaf shoot which turn yellow to greyish yellow. Affected leaves get curled and twisted. Take to spray of 3 ml per 10 liter Dicofol 18.5 EC with interval of 7 days. Fruit borer. It feeds on pulp and thus damage fruit. Take combined spray of nimbicidine 50 gram per 10 liter plus cypermethrin 25 EC 8 ml per 10 liter plus dichlorovoz 20 ml in 10 liters at fruit set stage. Fruit fly. In this, females lay eggs below epidermis of young fruits. Maggots feed on pulp and afterward the fruits start rotting and get dropped. Take spray of fenvavirate at the rate of 80 ml in 150 liter of water at weekly intervals. Disease and their control. Anthracnose. The deep chocolate colored irregular spots are observed at leaves, fruit stems, flowers. Spray Bordeaux or 0.2% Captain as preventive measure during the month of February, April and October. Downy mildew. It is also known as brown blight. Brown lessons along with white powdery mildew is observed on leaves, flowers and immature fruits. Spray 0.3% copper oxychloride to keep a check on this disease. Harvesting and yield. Generally, lychee fruits mature 50 to 60 days after fruit set. Maturity of the fruit is determined by the flatness of tubercles and smoothness of epicarp, besides the changes in fruit color to deep red when fully matured. Fruits are harvested at this stage in bunches. A fully grown tree yields 0.8 to 1.5 quintal of fruit. Material is cited from the link given below. Thank you.